Hold on. Pacho, me watching here na wa wo bi wo fie no betu de aba security here fa beja china Fabra TV Drama me pe chini ya ni NDC t-shirt. Wa wo NDC t-shirt ni chini here no. Mesre wa ope baby a TV3 wa Media Journal wa Jubilee House in Chenhe Kanaha. Wa wo NDC t-shirt ni chini ya me pe bi na ma ro mi suit me bre. Mesre wa wo chini ya Fabra security ho ye de bebre me. Wo NDC t-shirt a. Fa GH ya ko ase prr sa prr. No, minute Wa watching yan part of Abibra me why NDC t-shirt.
Yeah, connect so our Facebook. Onia TV. Aba 5.3k. Mo fa to screen so na you read the messages.
Say
yes, 5.3k. Yes, 5.3k. It's a what we are producing.
Yes,
NDC Mia.
Yes, hold on. And you back we now. MPP from the boat money a friend say. Oh, what's it? Fiani be penny handkerchief. Yes, hold on. Chasse, to boss, chasse, ma'am. Pesemi Suato. Young boy. Hold on. Oh. What's it? Da. Mama can't say papa. Okay, me mama missus in your fear. About your wine is I'm watching. Wine, sir. Okay. Yes, way. Yeah. I'm back to MPP platform, so our friend no church no. I have refia. Obaba to me. Ne manager. O friend and manager na fa phone na oye concert.
Enyo no the manager no.
Enyo no manager. Phone media no hu. Me send you no message ko no an personal phone so. Upon for message na me chena me ka chen say e be top form. So winima kona kobusa go high. Go high.
Philip Abefi.
Okay. If you on time so yamfa Kobla Kuche ewo Omampani dada John Dramani Mahama if you that's sure.
Aha. Okay, so
Gloria is an aide to John Mahama. Where is your boss as we speak?
My boss will be in the church by now. He should be in the church by now because that was where he received the congratulation message, I believe.
John Mahama is in church as we speak.
Mommy is in church, so I am sure he is also should be in church.
What does this victory mean for you, the staff of John Mahama? You've been in opposition for the past 8 years. How are you taking this victory?
Yeah, we accept this victory as it is the doing of the Lord, because God in his word said he cannot be mocked and nobody can take his name in vain. And so this is a sweet victory that is depicting the power of God to Ghanaians, that he is the God that does not share his glory with anybody, and you cannot take his name to dupe the people of his country. Remember, Ghana is the center of the world. Yes. And people believe that this was where God stood to create the world. And if Ghanaians have been the people of God, Muslims and Christians and other religions for all these years, and have cohabited in peace until the entrance of this tyrant of governance that we have experienced for the past 8 years, God is a jealous God. He has to fight to redeem his country back to himself. And thus we took this victory as it is something that is the doing of the Lord, and we glorify his name.
Gloria, I didn't know that you were a preacher, but the next thing that I will ask you is, what is the amount of the pressure this victory would put on John Mahama?
Yeah, the pressure that this victory will put on John Mahama is because of the 24-hour economy and all the infrastructures that have been left in the bush, the uncompleted and the one they have so-called started and they have not gotten anywhere, but they have started with the money, the hard-earned tax money of Ghanaians. He is supposed to complete all those. And the teeming unemployed youth out there, they will all be looking up to him. Okay. But I can assure them, he is ever ready, even from this very moment. If the statutory declaration should be declared this afternoon, declaring him as the finally official president of the Republic of Ghana after the swearing in, work began. Okay,
many thanks. Let me speak to these other people. Chief, what is your expectation of John Mahama with this victory? What's your expectation?
It's glory. It's glory, 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 glory. My name is Bawumia Isaac. I'm a taxi driver. When I work, I can't see where the money pass. When I went to maintenance, my money all locked into maintenance. Because Mahama, I'm assured that Mahama is coming to do everything. And sometimes when we bet to, we can get our money back. Now the system become competition, and I know that Mahama will not fail us. That's my victory. And the Christ is the King. Today is Sunday. Mahama, God is going to bless him, bless him. There's nobody that's going to touch Mahama. Amen.
Okay, let me get this other gentleman to talk to. Chief, what does this victory mean for you as a supporter and a believer in John Mahama?
Sure that what the John Mahama say, or the next president I say, or elect president I say, to come on, it will do everything he said that he will do. He will let the Ghana, enjoy freedom will come Ghana. It's like we have another freedom again. So that's it. We thank God that everything has come successful. So that's it, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So let me just go back a little bit and then paint a picture of how the frontage of the office looks like. Nafti is on my right side down there, but towards the American Embassy, Captain Hook's area, this is what it looks like. A short while ago, there were wild jubilations here and the firing of rockets and all that. It's come down a little bit, but because not much activity is going on here. Most of these people that you see, especially the Okada riders, a good number of them are from the Ladade-Kotopon constituency. It's the constituency in which John Mahama's office is located. Let me also go across the street and see if I can get a quick word from these riders. Chief, your life on TV3, what does this victory mean for you? I can see you are a party agent. What does it mean for you as a supporter of the party?
I'm very happy. We have suffered a lot during these 8 years past. So now we youth, we are very happy. We stand by Dramani Mahama. So where we are right now, we are very happy for all the youth for Ghana.
Okay,
thank you very
Chief,
much.
What about you? What's your expectation from John Mahama on this victory?
We are expecting John Mahama to come and help the youth because the youth are suffering a lot. So as now John Mahama is coming back, we need him peace to hold the youth because the street is not good no more. The police are so worrying the youth now. So we are pleading on him as now he's on power now. We have to do something for the youth. That's what we want.
Okay, let's just walk a little bit towards this side because a good number of them are gathered here. I can see the Concerned Drivers Association who are also here in their numbers for us to just speak with them and see what their issues are as well, what they expect of him. Chief, the Concerned Drivers Association, menim say move around a campaign ma John Mahama. The Siano Mwenyan Kunimdi, a dear na Moshe.
A Jamet Yaba of Fidicasi, so any tea for 18 now, we are here. At the cross, see a Yerishano, or Mampeni Mahama in any transit, Eden Krata, Eguso, and Panso, Ulumai, Esha Omoniamano, Oman Chomachi and Yare, and Yaye. Yes, some are equal to Uluman, Munano, or Manifesto, Uluma, Ekai, Yadin Paibo, any Ahodi, Etanichi, any NDC for Nase. Washa was Shama Draba Fono, or money will fear that. Nasabi, who's the NDC for, and the Betty Abua Draba for. Because MPP, Eba, or May Munomu, or Mina, or my Draba for ye black. One, say Oma to Petuma, on my police chair. 3, Omuguya Juma. Oma drop for black. That's a name ya dom. Nasa concern. Etimi. Any Omampeni. Mahama Shia. Nasa the washing Nash to a Nimunas or Becca. That's also by my. You would give you when you say, Obey, Obayama, and Unti and a nano pay. My father say, can be Mama Yapa Aquaba.
Okay. Many times Concerned Drivers Association. Let me see if I can get, if I can speak to this youth who are here. Chief, what's your name and who are you and why are you here?
I'm Dominic Azaleko. Okay. I'm from Vuta region, Sugankope. And I'm here for the winning team.
You mean you just came from Sugakope to this place?
Direct to vote. I vote in Accra, but I stay at Vuta region.
Okay, you're a young person. What are you expecting from John Mahama with this victory?
You know, I'm expecting a good work, and I know he can do it. Yeah, I believe him. That's why I voted for him. Actually, the previous ones were doing things that we don't really like, especially on bet. When you play bet, they use to remove what they like when you win the bet. Even if you didn't win the bet, they used to like to remove whatever they like. When you win the bet, they will still remove what they like out of it. And we don't like that one. We don't like that one.
So for your point is well made that you are expecting him to take out the betting tax. Chief, let me get a quick word from you. Why are you here, and why have you left wherever you came from to be here?
My name is Ben, and I'm in cantonment here. My reason for voting is that we need a peaceful development strategic plan which will help the country to develop, of which we don't even expect. But with him, we know that we expect whatever we want to get. And that's the reason why I voted for him, and I trust him, and I believe in him. And that's my only way that I can confirm to his development and achievement, of which he is come to bring it. Okay.
Many thanks. Well, I mean, this is what the situation is like around the cantonment office of the flag bearer of the NDC and the president-elect John Dramani Mahama. And you can see from the shot that huge umbrella that's over there. This was brought in by the Ladade Kotopon constituency. I remember about some 5 months ago. It's been here all this while, and it appears that this victory has given some impetus to them, and you can see a host of them who are taking shade under that umbrella. We are aware that John Mahama may be addressing the nation, but this can only be after the Electoral Commission declares the results officially officially, and then we would be expecting John Mahama to give some address of the sort to the nation. We also know that the flag bearer of the MPP and His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has already called him and conceded defeat and availed himself to help John Mahama build the Ghana that the country wants to be built. Well, all would now be dependent on how the transition and everything goes for the two parties to be able to work together. As to how it will be, the expectation of many of the young people, especially those of them who have thronged both the headquarters and the private office of John Mahama, is to the effect that they want jobs, and basically that is what they are looking for. So it's what's reading on the lips of the people. The next line of action, we can only monitor and bring viewers up to speed on what it would be from the side of the NDC and John Mahama.
All right. Yena Minia Kobna Kluche Ase. And this is coming from Ewo Niera. I see the president-elect, John Dramani Mahama, Nifi, and in the office. Ehodumna Kobna Kluche, Ewo Sisia, bringing us reactions from maybe Ewo Sisia. He is the president-elect with about 56% plus. As we speak here, Emma, the Electoral Commission, at the official results at the back. But as it stands now, from our own coalition center, provisional results are and the NDC has about 174 seats in Parliament, unprecedented, with the NPP getting a certain 99 and 3 independent candidates. Omo NSC representing Parliament, making it 276. Notable names, Medika Bobobi, notable names are Enco Parliament this year. 1. Henry Kote, the minister in charge of Interior, Enco Parliament. The Minister of Communication, Esla Owusu Ekufo, Enco Parliament. The Minister in charge of Sanitation, Lydia Al-Hassan, Enco Parliament. The Minister in charge of a lot of ministers, the Minister in charge of Trade and Industry, Enco Parliament. The Minister in charge of Interior, Henry Kote, is also Enco Parliament. But Enco Facebook, and this is the biggest TV platforms in Ghana. Enco Facebook, just send us a message on Facebook on 95.1. Now, Mephias, God bless Ghana, my motherland. We every friend at Tobra Junior, massive respect to goes to the IGP, Nana Mpienin, as I say, please Jahbless parliamentary who wins. Remember that detail.
Joe Mensa Ewini, and Joe Mensa Zubelusi and Prince Ama Ebai for Kwesemintim. All this while, na Sama Eswinge. MPP winning NDC ababe winning and after Wasa East. Wasa East first na Mpoho Wasa East. Now MPP.
Is that enough reason to kill her?
West Hunter Western so no MPP and NDC be winning back George Abuaje. Yeah. And George Abuaje call one time no lose in MPP sign by and afi yet it is NDC assign Aje sa seat no. And that's really the politics of Takra, the second Takra and its adjoining constituencies. And for the first time
Otu can say me in 2016. Abra after that was 2017. Abatono no. Yeah. Ebewi Aranado Ewini a Okochiara. Okachen say abato etu yi Ghana for the com any ebufu na to ye. Yes. Na oma ekom ne ebufu no sa ba ombesa de ato eti ha. Abato we ekom ne ebufu e na man for the to aba. And say ekom ne ebufu no kura our system mu no. Members of Parliament, relationship with constituents, no, a healthier, a better manage situation, no. But here is the case, do no, you come relationship with constituents now, that bad.
And I think, say again, back to secondary Takra, no, because NPP now maintain a stronghold of the metro for the past 28 years, expectations na high. I remember say at a point under Kufuor ma secondary takrade, I think cabinet ministers. In fact, top cabinet positions. In the you had Papa Usuankoma cabinet minister. Gladys Asma cabinet minister, Joe Bedouasa cabinet minister, Joe Gate cabinet minister. And I remember say in the lead up to the 2012 elections, no, it was a major issue. Why on cabinet site is Sipon Stadium, essentially. To me, I love me Sipon Stadium.
And like you, minister said, lose also.
Also, and I think this year, so admittedly. Now MPP attach a lot of projects within secondary takrani, but all those projects stalled because of funding challenges. The Kwame Nkrumah interchange na war.
And Nado start no.
And no war. Quite a Fian Quanta Regional Hospital. There is a roundabout
under constituency bay.
Secondary.
Okay.
A follow under secondary.
And no crowd necessary ombelusu.
Yeah, and there is a roundabout a war a Fian Quanta in Nimo. It is a roundabout one Nado statue the is no. There a shank of before say
yeah roundabout no
road no muguso mo ye a uncompleted road project and now they start you akwakusi ho but it dovetails to the point and I make you say a lot of projects have been touched omunye into also we interchange funding challenges into astore and ama traffic as secondary takwadi hu bi da any foot through erba in the years nkofo na appreciate say wo ye but the inconvenience to them is massive and to make matters worse so they don't see anything going on contractor park it out of sight. The same with market cycle project, no? A new market cycle is the biggest market, one of the biggest in West Africa. Very big. And now, astole it. And now, while temporary, idioma market room, into local issues, no? Bebre. Oko secondary. One major issue in secondary market. Promise a papa usu ankoma edema almost obey secondary market. So after 4 terms. Andre Japamesa a promise secondary market 2 terms. It's still not been done. It's a major issue in secondary. And also secondary issues they are constituency specific issues and this are tsunami way.
And politicians say do maybe almost but and yes I bring you baby answer to was here. So there's a Ashanti region. Ashanti region issues a Ashanti region could have been solved. What I say, but the science no the BPR was clear say nipe what region mubuafu for them to go into the region for 16 days the indication was there but and nyoma omo ye no and to me answer sankrofo adwene so it ended up say more na switch more na sokra omantimi an switch no omo nkonkoto aba you see gone were the days na ebia obeka say oh any past mess here we need to party nim a lot of
beba ba betwa so ma yenhwe na yenko break kakra emrabe simamienu all right yebetwa enkomo ne so election headquarters to the Kokromoti Power stay with us here sit here. Yena Munina Sibio say Mukayan throughout in coverage of the 2024 elections. Election headquarters Sony Kokromoti Power. In video Muhu Sisiye NDC Ashanti Regional Office. Inti eho ena celebration no koso. Ba me yemfa monko former President John Dramani Mahama currently on the president-elect. Yanko ni fie ni yanko hwede ekoso ewo ni fie Maxwell Agbagba.
The economy is just sunk down. So it's very, very bad and people are suffering. We've all been suffering. We've all been suffering. If you want to be true to yourself, you know yourself that pocket's no good. You know, so the economy has been bad and the NPP has been arrogant about it. They've not been fair to us, they've not been truthful to us. And in all our suffering, all they say is fix yourself, fix yourself, fix yourself. We fix ourselves by voting for the right person to come and run this economy.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now I'll interact with more people. But John Mahama himself, I should say, saw this coming. So I remember yesterday during an interaction with him after he cast his ballot at the Bole DA school, I asked him his expectations, and he said that he's convinced that the NDC is winning this election. Some weeks ago, prior to that interaction, at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, during an interaction with some municipal and district imams of the India Ashanti.
Many of us who have seen the entire night. Now, the reason is that at the moment you begin to enjoy your sleep, it is at that moment that somebody is going to steal your victory from you. God bless you, God bless you for delivering that powerful message. Next week, so God willing, next week, the moment I take the microphone, we're going to start prophetic ministration.
In fact, more and more of them are any glorious chapel. In
fact, all people gathered here, members of Glorious Chapel, you deserve commendation. You have done so well. God bless you all. I know that you contributed in prayer or with prayer. And your contribution is part of the reason God has glorified himself. Now when we talk about elections, now elections are part of human lives and human activities.
And I can say,
now, it's pretty obvious that you will understand that it has to do with leadership. And so, anytime elections are due, it is a time that we go out to elect a leader who will lead the entire nation and not just your family. It is neither the case that the person who would elect will be leader over his family alone. But that person is to become a leader of the nation. And so you must understand that when it gets to the time when people, a nation is going to select a leader, God does not dissociate from that process.
Because the moment on my they not can for Abushia, they not can for Crow, they not can for Sao can for and not true and on my education.
Because the moment a leader is elected for a nation, a city, or a family, it is the path the leader would make that the entire nation or family or city will follow. And it is his policies and the decisions he makes with his leaders or his ministers that will govern the nation. And so I do not think it is appropriate that sons and children of God will stay out from this important process. And so it is God who chooses leaders.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
I don't see many say and choose to be a pet. I'm so young, also petty.
Now, so do not think that, we did what we wanted to do and chose anybody we wanted to choose. No, it is because God wanted that person. That is the reason you also desired that person and your desire counted.
In Zambia, I am and it's on my good leadership.
Now, usually, what evil spirits do not want to happen is for a nation or a people to have good leadership. A man or a leader who has the fear of God in him. A leader who loves the people and is humble. Lifts up his eyes onto the earth. And he sees his love for mankind. And he hearkens the cry, the prayer and the cry of the people. He uses his prophets to tell the people who the will of God has chosen to lead them. And so we do not just choose leaders.
We are prophets, and now we are man of God. Now one can say the one journey.
Now you cannot call yourself a prophet and tell the people who God has chosen by your own mental calculations.
And
so God intends to introduce something in this end time.
Because I am person, I say, a Kobe, any Kobe, and a person who choose leadership, and I leaders,
now it seems that to be choosing leaders for the nations of this world.
So they are wrong leadership, or man very corrupt.
So that by virtue of wrong leadership, the nation will become corrupt.
Now,
and that the nation will become an abomination before God and will incur the wrath of the Lord.
And
so if you are a prophet, don't just speak.
Men how any emotion and declare as the Lord. Do not then choose leader. How will you choose? Do not be guided or tossed about by your own emotions or will to choose a leader purportedly chosen by God but guided by your emotions for the people. No. Because
akeke say me am say MPP ni madana mawu aw GH akwe madana mawu yeswe akwe madana mawu aw madana mawu
yeah, praise and worship
akwe o akwe lomo Saturday.
Yes.
Chairman Kwakwapia. O say
I just say congratulations.
Oh yeah.
I was going to say Chairman. I just say congratulations. And Papa Nana Mahama he just say just say congratulations.
Say congratulations. Badudo.
Messages will be on why. You call off here and I'm the actual nature. What can kind?
Semekasa meye bibi meyo. Another congratulations, brother. You fought a great fight.
Another was a severe.
I have a team, cameraman, Conti, MCR, control room, a lot of people now.
Yeah.
I thought I had an awarding, but I stood my ground. I thought I had studio Hakurano to say, hey, and then the Uja for the Abum. Do not but hey, Odogo, Naminim, Jamie. Would the president to come and I'm saying me too. Papa me diagro. So me kase me too. 2016. Now, and this officer, Omo Yemi Kwajo smart. KTM no swat by force. As when is. No count in Trinepi, as when HIV, KTM on. Then I me hano me information so yenti yeah na pampa mai say wabono ase Morocco ni awaboro ye ha ketiamo ya fa gro bia nto say sasam na fi na num pie ba say Ghana youth ye titi se kube no na mu so ye pani onim nyansa cha
Jema Bruni say the new prepared and the na blue.
But we the comment in this is here. Sure. Next time or to walk. Or baby as you know nyini a on Jimmy. Katie Hammond. Obi share no kan kire. My friend says as well be fa.
So far no me say na no afro cry and no work as we area.
Katie Hammond. Na me na etua nika. Nyame na etua nika. I say communicator ba ko kotra TV so say Mahama woni a yenhye no. Yeah. Hey, so for mu ya. Ba anti bi facha me mpanifo ne bi agimi o. No, honestly krom aye won mpanifo mo agimi pa o.
Ebinum.
Nsam say won mpanifo a agimi pa o. Really? Say Naka mitoya me say Mahama medi amra power. Na me say Mahama lusu a yenhye me. Na me dia o manim. Sofu penin toto. Wasanso she green no dey ka. Represent this color in green. I am me yeah, we are see hu o. What's a green and a black? And I would dey say NDC. Oh, Charlie. Keketi ya mo, me na papa we na kwa by force. Ya me na tua oka.
Man be na the trimu odi kakra.
Another break afra wate. Uzu. wa kofi fan krofo macho men di wachi emo ma chechire wo manim e na ato na bu aka asim wo so nyame atua oka wo te parliament ka say Oria TV dem ko eden ho ye ba power e betum uni betum ano betum ana ya ka chon some ye young guys mummo man no hia mo nchen political party nkrofo je hwe ma me ka se me ye fa bibia ntro chen afa yo marking so ho se nye se party din penifo na mu push no so nkokoto konko da
but that case also apply common sense
zabi na wuntimi nye
chemi se buso na ko nye
te Oria ma me fa hopsi adoye hopsi ya minia ma chen ye tu abo ya awo that's it eja obe nde
That is the idea. We put to come at a read of a background. And Yanko Patum, Yama, Etibico, Sui, Pa, Wokumatigati. Sophobia, or not the Wuchi or Mofa ballot papers in mention if ye. Now, monster from Concord, yes, Tarandu, you know, as you man pay. That Nyama Koso Pa, Yanko Patum, it get him at the top kama. Ama, Tese, it is possible for them to recover Concedes. That is the DJ Samba, Edima, Ghana, Pojina. So why are they, in fact, why are they Angata? That victory, a victory, that so sweet. Yabema John Mahama, congratulations. Let him say, my candidate, Alan John Kojo Adikai, I congratulate you. Any other, they are the voice. Now, me say, oh my Ghana, once I change about, there's going to be a great change in this country. I'm a for the yes, a few way above 2 years, or 1 to answer. But you have a double in answer. Na afena mambo wakati yuyanga so edi ekono
asa die edu
etem asa shawe ni jinso tati akura
abepepe kebugla
beda say
kade obi eko kachire impenifo no bi some time ago about 8 months to elections say say the victory of MPP. So, eti obune me kata. No more return obudisi na memra back. Chief of staff will be an announcer me na memo retaining power and your mobile opposition. Samia Uku STT the same thing that's a me and a member of retaining power, they should go to opposition. And the 10th person, the General Secretary, Justin Kudia. These 3 people, that's the hopes in the government people are retaining power, they are ready for opposition. And if we take that, I'm going to say, okay. And then, one more friend of Kasongo. Me change the other day, Kasongo, dear. And I'm saying, but one more with that hope is also made a better. Now, me share a konya on your FM, also Mode Mame, Naja, Yabins and Pado Twabontain. Yami did transfer for them, Yabians and Padu. That's not the way I can emit them. Nani Tempa who cried said, at Yabian also at this power changing Ebabe ending. And one a Japadia, Yebe and the Japadia, and when the young man did some case. All
right, Marina, Similia, BBS Chairman Safrel. Why?
We not agree.
But what are you able to do? Pollard watch your Ghana and where to go. Most of Pollard watch your Ruma.
Aye. Okay, so John Dramani Mahama on the Twitter page. I say I have this morning received a congratulatory call from my brother Dr. Bawumia following my emphatic victory in Saturday's election. Thank you, Ghana. We John Dramani Mahama, the Twitter page as his friend X.
Mpacho, Mose. Me say MPP nkola no mgu social media no. Mudi nsamfo na niema me ka kire mo say. Wa Mahama mwene power wia. We MPP ni journalist na wo kuma na wo bie wan say Mahama yemfo so a ma me ame nka ma de. Wodi wutito ho bi do nya me de kuma be bo tiri. Wodi me say asma wa start those useless MPP journalists ne gukrum ha no. Wodi me asma wa start church of Facebook post. Said they are waiting for Petro to come back to Concedes. Wuni time na to na e ko ba bia ko no wutumi hunya sa tu akufo adofo. Afi one person cocoa bag e ko 8,000. Useless people. Ka some chemo a mo pese mo beti. Me say afi we some say ma no ya. Me mpe position bia wo. Me tuwe me mpo bia ka. Ni ma me ka kire wo.
Mayana manye.
Enti. Makato say Nanado, me man 1 year.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Grace period. On fanto to nema. Mahama we di president da. Enti Mahama, me anam ka say me man 1 year. Babra me ntimi ma 1 year. Mema Mahama 10 months. Oye na appointment nyina mema na 10 months. Nti fi samre ya kosi match de me sure say no we wie wo. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. January, yeah, baby. Back on. Na the grace period, no. Aso. Your bosom nobody waiting. Make sure say me am your bosom jail. Your bosom nobody waiting. It's no. I say na me mention into social media me koto na ma share aban phone we wo be di kudim na yetimi ehu once about me na kasa kasa ope big gap mom na mistia wonya pato ye mmosofo na o say Mahama woni a ye hye no soja for so mo hwehwe wa hye wo pato Fatum Mayenko. We need this election here. You pack kerosene into me, I'm telling you this. I was studio, live studio, Ghana phone na ebeshe. So Mahama we need election we are.
Nka say empa ejantu mo ka hwe kamna na ka se Mahama we ni.
Ni aka some the petrol be ku me ho. Na ma se me live studio. Live coverage obi abeshe. And I'm not joking with this.
So serious. That's how I come and I can't teach you for say Mahama we need let you are obi sure about with me bow pra. Who are me for? All right. GH, member Bibia was here. Pacho Bobby. GH. Said Mahama, we need this election here. Bonto said Mahama. We need this election here. I'd say MPP elections. Said Mahama, we need this election here. You pack kerosene into me, Wait. I'm telling you this. I was studio, live studio, Ghana phone na ebeshe. Ewa hanom. Said Mahama, we need election we are. Nka say empa ejantu mo ka hwe kamna na ka se Mahama we ni. Petrol.
Ya ka some the petrol be gu me ho. Na ma se me ho live studio. Live coverage obi I'm not joking with this.
So serious.
On record.
Na sa hwe kamna na ka teach for say Mahama we ni election we are. Obi sure abonte with me bow pra.
Dabi. We chili. Je ti abotre mame. Wa hu ni ti. Ojai. Na hena no aso wabo gwen henti na hena no ai hweriti na hena no we mu net bi fa bible jina so dem kuta microphone dey preach say ni pantie gwen who are you for abebro GH me say twen and me say china mama wabo bibia o penti GH na nyam so ate ya dwine mu china me bakram de champagne bebre o le party bi pa me studio ha no le Echina me. What I mean? May party studio ha. Jerry. A toda on we shall say Ghana presenters in na and Mamin Kaseminjo. I intentionally fought that it should be brought to Accra. So that I know, so that just in case. But over here, I'm called baby, I'm who are David and Yevim Sakai, a D. You mean I have a cafe? Election, now, Papa will be sharing the baby. I'm doing Yamina Keros with the petrol. Begunu swap a match Saturn. Up here, more mistake in Faber Biaminam. Papa was asked for way. So your mistake if Faber Biaminama. Only today, I'm the petrol gallon basing cam. Fefiata go me uncle. We will need this of all.
All right, so Fefiata go akoko piemu the president-elect John Dramani Mahama Efia to make a matching.
I think you know some of them.
Efia go to make a wait. All right, so Efia go any team no akoko piemu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the president-elect of the Republic of Ghana, and okay, so if you have to make a match, in
economics, every the dollar I could do 16.
If you tago, all right. So we better now. Yes, I come back to if you tago na. My penny, dada, any my penny a Ghana for to about the mano. If you see, I know what say. If you tago to make a memoir. I think the network, you know, quite terrible. I'm check it network, you know. Now, if I'm now, yes, it's me, if you're going to fee, one report or whatever, was to John Dramani Mahama Fibia, Eddie Abreu. Get the amount. Obiabo get the amount of Okomis as on about it now, or if you so may you and one come you are. Say to us, you question console. The two for Papa Penning to you too far wanted. You had a quantity. But we don't say, Allah go judge the battery. And leader for movement for change. What about that call? A friend saying coalition centers. Yes, Akuma down. How? And this is for the free one coffee. What happened before the easy? If you have to go to on the chat. I send him message. Okay, so before I say my question, I go home. Way a message free John Alan Kojo Mati Honomo. I say I would like to congratulate former President John Dramani Mahama and the National Democratic Congress for an emphatic victory in the just concluded 2024 general elections. Although the Electoral Commission is not yet to formally declare the election, it is very clear that the people of Ghana have spoken. I urge all Ghanaians to accept the decision of the Ghanaians electorate once the official results are released, in order to preserve the peace of our dear nation. I wish, in the same vein, to commend all presidential and parliamentary candidates for their responsible conduct, which has, without doubt, made this year's election one of the most peaceful in our dear country and in the history of Ghana. I extend my deepest sympathies to the family of individual who was reported to have lost his life in the course of the elections and whose and I will distract me, sir. Offer.
I say, congratulatory messages in the here.
Let us all remember that there is no winner or loser in this election.
Masa, there's a loser. Why we?
It is Ghana.
And I'm having cancer with Masophobia, my country, so I shall come.
What's that?
Yenima software can't say Mahama when election.
Honorable.
honorable.
So for Jesus Abrante, Sani Freno.
Yeah, Jesus Abrante.
Jesus Abrante, on Haya no buy.
Yeah.
Honorable.
And Obeka Mahama.
Yes, 52 point something.
52.5. Now make 52.7.
Yes, I remember. Bekaipa.
Any Sofo Owusubempa.
Yeah.
Ena obom pase nyame se ade no adane wanka na Sofo Ebenezer Adakwa Yadom,
the nation's prophets.
Ono kura de odafom ebompa ye kan ho. Eti yeni ma Sofo a ene madam for Sofo your friend say
Najigezi ano.
Ye Najigezi o. Uche ayi oh Eric Boahin
no ye you say ya no.
Akwa be form do ya me. Eric Boahin o be for. Daba no ba me officer no.
That was that
this week here we 3 days ago. Oto hweme ni mu akonwa mu di, hweme ni di, o say to what you do you think for yinsem. But anyway, I see between 55 upwards. Uche. Otime office. MPP oba penny bi frɛ no. Nti asofo na ka say Mahama be woni anim won. Me ka bibia say asofo bi obekwa akogina so dem na ahye nkom. Ana waje wo samba. Wa bra won kan list no ho. Wa pira wa so da gu. Living bread sofo bia ne wo ka say Mahama be woni election. Living bread asofo ni bi kura na ekwo wo ayi FN say suffer Agnasari pin suffer no ya Agnasari sa no or ye living bread resurrection and living bread then suffer what I say nti ye ni ma suffer no man share am fa ho meka ho wo suffer bi am refi wo so no e ba meka Sopani Duncan Williams ono or say nobody can turn the will of the people. Now would him the oka. Hey,
Ghana party. Obi a sending message say EC is delaying us. Like by now.
When was sooner why Nantada? When was sooner Nantada? Brother Chobi. But was sooner Nantada. Sarah. No, Osuna Nanta. Osuna Nanta, what will that?
Bini and the power.
Hey, Molega.
Koko Transi. Yes, I need you. Madame Data. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
I would say EC is delaying us. Like by now, they has built 3 hospitals already.
Oh, EC declare come and see hospitals. Every journalist back will say, I fear for Ghana card. Na Ghana card in Jansa Bene. First of all, also. You fear for Ghana card. You bet them. Ghana card. Man, sorry, and General Chroma care the Ghana card. Bet to have an Amorium. Singer, men kwa Ghana. I was the only presenter, even NDC presenters or Ghana. I was the only person who stood up and said that Yampene said the Ghana card betwaba. You guys, you think say now you need the echo? Me can say me trouble Hamaminka. James also say crime in expiry date. 2004. You should have created special 1 week. No be assume we. Ewo kronom abo hia tepa tafo swame pankrono bokrom F line A line D line any places and go for 1 week but then 1 week well judge menchirem men twaso adam ya Mahama
da bi oda twaso
men twaso
enya so ya Mahama so wo kukudro twaso
men twaso
kabete
men twaso. What?
Groba.
Opa shete ya pese ya be before you ho sesi anete asese ho mono
akongo na tuntwa ho akofo de fe mo sa no ya 12 abo yisi boss no nya de be ba nya
there also member one but yeah betimi anko
yeah enko na
but na
asa ya be for so around no na o me take you over na chese omo so Mahama in tentem no see hospitals me samaye
it's 7th December Shatawale assistant DP says here glorious wave sofono Sophia was sorry or sphincters away your friend say Sofo beduko bi papa good morning menim say oh yeah sorry
okay
Fatago me enko
if you Fatago to make hello if you Fatago
yo ebusianfo yeda so ewo Nua TV so esomo yedika ka kire mo dada se afi aba no eye operation yate dada ewo Nua TV so ni nua no ye wabato aso ye ka kire mo se afi abato no ne to ne kenkan ne boboye mu se panie krato fomo a ye mama so ensi ebo ho enche bia na yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wono akasa ene party a onom da MPP amyekwa no wo machitafo eba bontene Ghana man ewiase man be kasaye age atum se said yenim no party bia won coalition center na wonom figures wo mo no eda di pefese ade no de ageta sene awia no enti wo be kan sa no na wo se ye bachire na yetu anama kopie mo yewura John Dramani Mahama a wono ena ni party ye party kese a woni MPP amyeko no ekosa akansie no na onim se ewom se yewura Bawumia ababonten ade abegya tum se yade se waji ni nkugu atumu de nanso electoral commission o my Ghana yade tumi ahye won sase wo mo na eba bato ne to ne kenkan ho kwa ne ba wo betumi ababonten be kacha mansan nyina se sei enete electoral commission nya enkeka wo mo figures mo mu wieye enti yenti wo mo nka nanso wo se yetu anamo ne yeba bepiem wo yewura John Dramani Mahama ne office wo cantonment ntinei ha ena yene ya pamfo wo media general Nua TV ka ho no yaba bepiem wo ho ene wo ba yewura Mahama di Kenya ntie se waba ha nanso omaye ni nyina o ma ne yese wo mu se Bawumia gi atomu de se dem di kan kan ye no wo se electoral commission figures ne bi eguso every constituencies ahodo eba enti enya meduru ye ne de eni hu kwan se wo mu eye mfomso gya kire na kiranko wonom ede bibi akoda ne bibi ede amom nti wo mu nya maye omuguso ekeka ne ma ede abom nanso yaba ne officer yeba behwe de ekoso ewo ha Kwame Asante yenim se abra yewura ye JM o share ne campaign ahodo ase no campaign ahodo a okoye esrem etifi mantamu Asante mantamu buno babia no media general Nua TV ka ho bie no ono ene ne nante ye nti o mo call grounds ho senia esi etie ho no me saka Kwame Asante wa ha no ma ye no eba bedi nkomani ho se o mo call rounds call campaign o mo hu from ho no se ade ne de reset beba anase it is possible ene beba Kwame mahan
mejo so afia
na wo kwahye hia na ye frewa na yo ho sa no
adwuma no dɔɔso nse ba ne sei ya enra me call Greater Accra EC regional office ne ade entina ɛwɔ se we no ba ye no me san bohwi na me ba cantonment ase o mampani dada aso ye ɛwɔ ha sei
nice one Kwame ye ka reporter ofri Onua group edi yewura Bawumia chi ne no call campaign ɛwɔ my Ghana sorry Ora Mahama chi ne call campaign wo ɛna na wugidam de ma Onua group no mo call grounds wa mo hu wa grounds wa no mo say reset beba
if you make us from day one last year somewhere November or started nem to aboya no what today say building Ghana tour no na eno before main campaign where you building Ghana tour na ojeje adwenkyere the afa manifesto a omo betro no ho na me kai said first day you too free nkran kwan ha no ye ko wanchi ho e no start free ye e wo bonomantem no mu na wo hwe se de ahokeka ekitaafo e de be hia no e wo wanchi saa dana na chese e yade se na ahokeka yie papa but na obi be ka se wo hwe saa to ane ye ko ni nyina na report na me ka se untumi enhwe edom so emfa enjeje because obi ho no ma na wo ye behwe adini wo hu se o mpani dada ba no abehwe ni bi no ko but se wo hwe nkuniduku na the MPP atade sen ni koma e mbeto aba e de amana duku na the MPP atade sen ni koma e mbeto aba e de amana ni ade but okwa asantiment mu no wo hwe edom na epube hia no na wo mo ebodawuro e kyerese enei wo mo epe ensakraye e wo oman mu na e kyerese enipa binom aya adwen se wo mo besesa wo nsa afi e wo abatu no mu enti enye me nwanwa bebre esanse edom a yehu ye e wo sabra na obonto no mu nyina de besi abra wo de ne nto abra twa to kra akwa awiye na no ya wada no asantiment mu no na kyerese eyade a na eso ani
yo kwa me menkwansa ma mensa so enka ye tiefo ne ahwefo mo amowo mo hwe mo fiefie mu ne social media ne nyina no so se obepie mu e wo yewra Mahama ne officer e wo cantonment hono mo a kame akwese ene supporters a wo mo eba no enya asem ketwa supporters ba na eba kire se eye enkunimdie kase e de ama e wo se electoral commission no emfa figures no ema ye de nenso obia benya no we ye operation yate dada omunim dada enti ba omu anaka kase muntumunu baako na party flag ebwani mu na waba na pani we asie firi mu ensem trofo so dodo no e wa ha obia bobo no e twen se wo mu hwe ni mu se bibia besi na fei yatoa so e de afiri na etie ensem a yewra John Dramani Mahama wode ebeto omai Ghana nim enti sa pepepe enetie na medical catchers ye wo cantonment hadmo no mensa aka onmonyamfo baako a mene no eba bedi nkomo na mabusa ne se aso ehefa no ofiri a ewia gedegedegede wadru hai na sai na victory no asese eba no wosom e de efamira adaroma ye motrinkwa
meti yazida ase
pasha udin ene wu kura dibrebu o party ni mu ana se common floor members ni bia
within the Apostle Abraham Lincoln
right nyame ni pa o me pamocho oyesofo nti memra me den wosra na eba nyame ni pa
person be mo position I say within the Apostle Abraham Lincoln for Apostolic Mantle Worship Center but it's a victory for us because I remember when also can say Mama will never be a president. That is a day me bomb pie shade. But me bomb pie me say it's true. I say yakata so the also who you know is right. But Charlie took prayers and whatever. And then nyame one of the things you see, when it comes to cathedral, be careful. Say, when to me sit down and make sure you account for everything. So when to me encounter, God can just deal with you straight. So me, I believe some comfort we're losing. It's all about the cathedral. And also the people that are struggling. Look at the collapsing of the banks, they say, I'm not put to fear. Just say what a stroke and whatever. So all these things, I watched a clip, I won't say the soldier for you know, they don't care again. The citizen doesn't care again. It's boot for boot matter. So me, I thank God, say God has given John Mahama a second chance to rule. But it's also me advice to him. They say, yeah, the way Uncle Vo way too, you know. Now working on the dollar for us, work on whatever. So I'm here for our supporting for many years. So I'm here just to say congratulations for what he has done.
Medase papa na wonim se bre na de adwumanti ye betwa ho kakra bi na yaba obesan so ate enka biem e de afri yewra John Dramani Mahama ne officer e wo cantonment ya kwame asante wa ha and of course legon for me nua be makomla kruchi ono so wa ha no tie be kɔ no ho na ono so asom manfo no ehwe wo TV3 so ye be sa ba nchen biem ye da se
yes so ye da se ebshafoi yewe yewe What's the Kabia de Catcher and say bye bye, Apple? You may say share that for Russian, you may share for Manchester. May I say bye bye?
Was very solid and very. So that was the foundation. And also as well, NDC was strategic. They targeted their youth with a special youth manifesto. And from my the youth manifesto, no, I was so MPP for the kakra because now Oman Jim say NDC uses our strategy.
In fact, almost a youth manifesto, almost a women
manifesto, exactly.
Another manifesto.
So they were very strategic in their approach, say almost targeting very core specific groups. Now, one of they can say to me calibrate Sanya way, but I have a feeling say both ways because I responded to the needs of the people, the sentiments of the ground, and as so there was a protest vote because see, let's not forget say MPP2 had a very strong we are normal riding on VHS. And I said now talk of us a very strong message. But to be able to counteract that, you have to also provide something solid, our manifesto, and NDC for only idea was outside in the palm. Organizational levels as well. With the way no better, almost last rallies, in example. Look, the NDC's rally was very well organized.
In terms of the aesthetics and the optics
and sound, look, at the point in time, I'm sure, and before rally, sound,
yes, sound at the rally ground. I think they lost the sound for close to 45 minutes.
Exactly, and that was so bad for your final rally. At a point, you were sitting arrangements. Now, it was so for me. It wasn't organized well at all, and also Ekha Kakra. Now, you share na po effects. No, I idea you share that analyzing in same York and particularly that. Welcome to
Auto Check Vehicle Diagnostic.
In the last minute rally of Kufona or Kasano to appease those sentiments, or as I said, to mitigate those sentiments. There are a multiplicity of factors, I would say, combining the margin in but factors when such a big margin.
I think apart from how our campaigns, Nicole, we would come and look at. And also the issues among for consider and so another. But Dr. Boaben, name your own view of the campaigns and how our parties deploy our campaign strategies.